Okay, I imagine we are rolling now. Excuse the condition of my table. Yes, that's a Torrid ad, for those who know what Torrid is. It's a little dark, but yeah, if you can't tell, this is an iPhone XS Max. I'm not going to zoom in too tight on my important digits. It's kind of interesting, like nowhere on here is there any heavier branding than just iPhone. There's really just a very small thing. So I guess we're at the point where we just call it iPhone and that's all we need to do. Okay. Let's get this thing open. And even though I have my Stanley knife, where's that? Here he is. Go with the guy from Explaining Computers. Hello, Stanley. I actually shipped this trying to install a license plate holder, but that's neither here nor there. Thankfully, the fine folks at Apple have given us a pull tab. So we're going to pull that tab. Woo! This is the first time I've ever gotten anything on launch day, save for a PS4, which isn't nearly as amusing. So plastic came off just like that. I'm trying to hold this monopod / selfie stick still. Let's lift the top off. Oh yeah. Nothing inside there. The usual quality Apple box. Ooh. Just dropping other Apple products on the floor. There we go. Sorry about that. Those remotes are very expensive. I have a little bit of trouble with it. Oh, there's our usual outlay of Apple stickers. I think I put these on like notebooks and car windows maybe, but that's about it. What else we got in our little handy documentation holder thing? Hello. Okay. Hi. Hi, piece of paper. Okay. This is good. You know, it explains the new gestures and whatnot, given that there's no home button, which is good. I'm somewhat familiar with them. Oh, hey, even look at that. Air power. Huh. Don't know if that's going to pan out, but we shall see. I'll take a further look at this lovely thing later. Again, sorry I'm all askew. I've never done this before. All right, we got the lovely liquid metal dingus for taking out the SIM card. I suspect I will need to switch them. And we have a little sheet with some safety and helpful information. Entirely in English, oddly enough. Huh. Okay. And here we are at the main event. This is an iPhone XS Max. Maybe later I'll take some comparison pictures between this 6S I'm getting rid of and compare the size. It doesn't seem that much bigger to the look. So let's... Ooh, that feels nice. That feels very nice. I like that. Ooh. Feels very good in the hand. I've still got all the plastic on it. There's our friend the camera bump. I can't wait to take some telephoto pictures. They got all the logos off the back and they're digital now. Oh, that looks so nice. Alrighty. Whew. What else is in here before we fire this up? We've got a standard USB charger. I can't really see the wattage through here, so I'm going to pull this over here. What did they ship this with? It's probably the usual 5-watt 2-amp deal. I can barely read that. I'll look later. got us our Lightning ear pods. Not really an ear pods guy. I tend to use Bluetooth headphones, but good to finally have a pair of these. And a standard Lightning to USB-A connector. In all likely, I almost never plug this into a computer, so not much use for that. And I have Anchor chargers that provide a lot more wattage, though I think I need a much heavier wattage in order to charge this in full size. So it's time to look for that. My Zippo's in frame. Got my name on my Zippo. Alrighty. Let's power this thing up. I'm going to leave the fun stuff on there for a bit. And they made the power button big. Ooh. Need to edit those sneezes out. Ooh. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and set this up. I'm not going to try to hold the monopod while I do it. So thank you for watching.